Today we are going to make fluffy, that's right, fluffy oatmeal pancakes. Sounds healthy, doesn't it? Why not call it healthy fluffy oatmeal pancakes? Hey, we're going to have so much fun making this. I want you to support us on Patreon. You know, we'll put the information below. I'm Chef Don McMillan. As I said, we're going to make fluffy oatmeal pancakes. Hey, subscribe. Okay, we'd love to have more subscribers. Tap that button, okay? When you tap the button, it rings, it makes us happy, it makes our heart ring, okay? And also, please leave a comment below. Let's talk about making pancakes or any other those types of things that you'd like to know, okay? Because I always respond to the comments and I enjoy seeing how much you guys love to do all of this, okay? So to make my fluffy pancakes, I'm going to use some all-purpose flour. To that, we have some oats. Okay, these are quick oats, so just put those right in there. You'd be surprised what could happen, okay? And baking powder, that's what's gonna make them fluffy. Fluff right on up. Baking powder, sugar. Sugar also, when you're making pancakes, gives it a nice color, nice brown, and of course a little bit of sweetness, which definitely satisfies our palate, okay? And a tiny bit of salt. Gotta have salt in there. Let's get a little bit of a mix going on with our dry ingredients. Get them all mixed in there so the ingredients are gonna be equally distributed. Now, milk. I'm using whole milk. You can certainly use skim milk if you wish, but you know, why bother? Okay, these are gonna be fluffy, lots of flavor, okay? To that, we're going to add an egg. I got a whole egg, break it on a flat surface just like this. Put it right in there. See, when I break it on a flat surface, I get two even shells. I don't get all those shards in there that we don't want. Vanilla. Gotta have that vanilla, okay? Let's move some of these out of the way. Melted butter. I'm using butter. You could use an oil, but to me, I think butter is what's going to make it taste good. I'm going to use some of that butter in there with a towel, paper towel, because I'm going to use that to grease our pans, make it really good, okay? Now, we're going to mix all the ingredients together. Oh, wait, got to do this, forgot. Mix, 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 mix. These are our liquid ingredients. Got to get that egg mixed up in there really good. All right, now it's good. Now we go right in there. Beautiful pancakes. Stir, stir, stir. Don't overbeat them, okay? You could use an electric mixer if you wish. Use the paddle. And our oatmeal is in there. Wonderful. Okay, let it set 5 minutes. All right, while it's setting 5 minutes, put your pan on medium. We'll have medium heat, and then let's let it get hot enough, and then we will take our melted butter with a little bit of our paper toweling, and then just kind of grease the bottom of the pan. But I want it to be nice and hot, so we're gonna let that happen. That also helps give it a nice, even shine on our pancakes. All right, our pan now is hot. I'm going to go ahead and place our oatmeal pancakes. Ta-da. Right in there. Move it around. Just like that. Just move it. See how I'm moving it around? Just move it around. Put it back on the fire. Let it cook. You're going to see the edges starting to get brown. You'll see bubbling coming up. That's what we're looking for to make the perfect pancake. All right. Beautifully. All those bubbles just popping up there. I'm going to go ahead and put my spatula underneath and give it a 3. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Now we'll let the other side cook and we'll make some more of these wonderful oatmeal pancakes. Let's make some more pancakes. Our pan is hot and I really took my towel and made it a nice surface. Put these pancakes in there. And swirl it around. All right, let's flip our pancake. Look at that. Oh, perfecto, beautiful. Fluffing up so gorgeous. Man, This is going to be a delight to eat. We'll let it cook for about just under a minute on the other side, just till it turns a beautiful golden brown. There's our pancake. Gorgeous. Just perfect, but we got some more things to do. Well, our pancakes, they are definitely ready, but we're going to hook them up just a little bit. But we have special guests today. Look, who's with us today?
This is Daisy. We just adopted her 7 days ago, a brand new member of our family. And also Luigi. So we hide Luigi almost in every video. If you can find Luigi, put it down in the comments. Right now, sitting over here on the stove. But he's been on the microwave. He's been over there by our little Indian chef. He's been on the cutting board. He's been over here on top of the refrigerator. He's everywhere. But you'll see him in the next video.
Okay, well,
I'm ready.
I bet Luigi's ready, and I know Daisy's ready.
Oh, she's ready.
We know that she loves pancakes.
She sure does.
But let's hook them up just a little bit. I'm going to take some of this butter, and we're just going to put the butter right here in the center of the pancake. Yeah. And we're going to put some butter on top, let it melt a little bit. And guess what? We're going to do something else.
What are you going to do?
We're going to make some cinnamon sugar.
All right.
So making cinnamon sugar, remember, cinnamon sugar. Me too, but just put a little bit. You don't need a whole lot of cinnamon in there. Okay, and then mix it up. Just like that. And we said this was going to be a healthy recipe, didn't we? With the oatmeal, we're going to even make it more healthy. We're going to put some fresh banana. So let's go ahead and cut our banana up. Okay. And make some nice fresh slices of banana right there on top. Doesn't that look nice? Oh, who does not like bananas and pancakes?
Before you put the cinnamon sugar up, let me get a little bit of pancake on the side for Daisy.
All right, let's do that. Here's a fork. You want to get a little bit for Daisy. Make Daisy happy.
Over to the side here. Let her sample that.
Okay. And now with our cinnamon sugar, we'll go ahead and sprinkle.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, on the bananas, on the butter, on the pancakes. It looks good. Lovely. I know, like, when we were children, we would make cinnamon toast. You ever see that? You butter the toast, sprinkle some cinnamon sugar over it. Man, love is good. Life is good.
Favorite.
And now
real maple syrup.
Real maple syrup.
Ooh, yeah, that looks good.
Oh yeah, get it on there. So whenever you're watching our videos, remember that we've got so much to share on that. Please subscribe. Please tap that bell. You know, put comments below. You're always going to find our recipe down there below. And please support us on Patreon, because we're always going to give you exclusive content, early access. Get to see these videos early, behind the scenes that you're going to want to know about, and without ads. So, what do you think it is? Simple, Daisy? And
she says delicious.
They're delicious. Yes, they are.
Let's do it.
We got only one way to find out. Okay.
Want to try it? Oh, she loves it. Look at that.
She said more.
She says a lot more.
Okay. Well, we got a lot more here. We got a stack and a half.
Ooh, she's licking my fingers. She likes it so good.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, what a sweet girl you are.
Yes. Well, let's see how sweet these pancakes are.
Let's do it. Oh man, that cinnamon sugar is killer.
Yep. Knocked it out of the park.
Man, save me some. I'm
gonna here. I can't eat them that fast. I'm working on it though.
I think Daisy says she wants some more.
These are it. You won't get this on a box in the supermarket. No. I can tell you that.
Well, you won't.
But you will get it on Simple and Delicious Recipes right here on YouTube.
Recipes below in the comments.
We'll hook it up for you. Remember, when you subscribe, we really appreciate it. And to show you how much we appreciate it, Andrew's going to tell you exactly what will happen when you subscribe and put it in the comments.
That's right. We're so grateful for you watching our videos. Every 50 subscribers, we're going to pick one person out to get a brand new apron. We'll ship it to you for free, just like the ones we're wearing.
Yep.
So we'll pick you out. If you put yourself in the comments and say, I subscribed, we'll contact you personally, and you can contact us and we'll ship this right to you for free.
So please subscribe, like us. We'd love to hear from you.
That's right. See See you in the next video.